Hello and welcome to Dating for Beginners. Today I am here with a new video on how you can download the app Tantan. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the video. So firstly you need to open the Play Store, or if you have an Apple device, open the App Store. Just click on it and open it. And when you are on the main section, on the top there is a search bar. So you just need to click on the search bar and type the name of the app, that is Tantan. Here I'll have tapped already Tantan. Just now I'll click the search button and the Tantan will be searched. So in the second, there is the Tantan app that I want to install. So I'll just click on the Tantan app, and now there is an install button. So I'll just click on the install button, and I have to wait for a few seconds, a few minutes depending on my internet connection for this app to be downloaded successfully. As you can see, the app has been downloaded successfully in my device. So now I can just click on the open button that is on the right hand side and open the app and use it as I want. So this is how you can easily download the Tantan app on your device. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.